Hello friends, hope you are all well. West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination online application form for 2022 has already started. So in today's video, we will talk about West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination and the application deadline and all other details. So watch the video till the end and do like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel and also share this channel link with your friends. So West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination Board WBJEB will conduct OMR based common entrance examination for admission in the academic session 2022-23 into undergraduate courses in engineering and technology, pharmacy, architecture of different universities, government colleges as well as self-financing engineering and technological institutes in the state of West Bengal. The tentative date of examination is fixed on 23rd April 2022, which is Saturday, and the tentative date to start this online application is 24th December 2021. Let us look into the timetable. As I have told, the online application for West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination 2022 has started. It has started since 24th December 2021 and the last date to fill up the online application with payment of fees is 10th January 2022 Monday. You can fill up the online application form of West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination on 10th of January till 6 p.m. WBJEE board will also allow you to do online correction in your application in case if you have made any mistake. The correction window online will open on 11th January 2022 and till 13th January 2022 you can do this online correction and also download the revised confirmation page. The downloadable admit card publication will start on 18th April 2022, approximately a week before the examination. So from 18th April till 23rd April you can download your WBJEE 2022 admit card. And the date of examination as of now 23rd April 2022 Saturday from 11 am to 1 pm, that is paper 1 mathematics for 2 hours, and from 2 pm to 4 pm is paper 2 physics and chemistry. West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination Board has made it very clear that these dates are tentative and may be changed in extraordinary circumstances. The publication of results will be notified to the students later. And here is the website I have given over here. So you can just click and apply to the website and fill up your WBJE 2022 online application, and the exam score rank will be used for admission into all the government and self-sponsored engineering colleges, pharmacy colleges, architecture colleges in the state of West Bengal. The application fee for WBJEE 2022 examination is Rs 500 only for general category candidates. If your category is SC or ST or you belong from OBC A or OBC B category, then the application fee is reduced by 100 rupees. So you need to pay only 400 rupees and the standard bank service charges will be available. The examination fees need to be paid online through net banking, debit card or credit card only. The application fee once paid is not refundable under any circumstances. A and OBC B candidates, to avail the concession, they have to upload or submit their respective certificates in given formats at the time of counseling. If they fail to do so, his or her candidature will be cancelled. So friends, that was West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination 2022 application form notification. So in the coming days, we will come up with the videos on the top colleges, engineering colleges in Bangalore, in West Bengal and in other states of India like Pune, like Delhi NCR. So like and subscribe to Apna College Net YouTube channel and also share this channel link with your friends. All the best.